Crest Guesthouse is a small dwelling designed by Mork-Ulnes Architects in San Anselmo, California. With an area of just 411 square feet or approximately 38 square meters, this project presents an innovative design solution to create a functional living space on a challenging site. Located on the steep hills of Marin County, this home was built on the foundation of an old garage, making it an accessory dwelling unit, ADU, that is both optimal and efficient. Its sharply angled roofline mirrors the site's slope, while creating a high-ceiling space that allows natural light to enter through the clerestory window above the cabinetry area. Uniquely, a folded section of the roof creates a window that provides a direct view of the surrounding trees from the loft. The house's facade is clad in cement board, a fire-resistant material that requires minimal maintenance, perfect for the wooded environment. To overcome space limitations due to the steep terrain, the architectural team added a deck at the front to extend the functional area outdoors. With California's mild climate, this outdoor space serves as a natural extension of the interior, effectively doubling the usable living area. Flexibility is the key principle in the interior design. A movable kitchen island allows users to adjust the layout as needed, whether indoors or outdoors. Additionally, a Murphy bed that folds into the wall provides open space during the day and easily converts into a sleeping area at night. The loft, accessible via a retractable ladder, offers extra space with a window overlooking the trees, creating a natural and serene atmosphere. The bathroom is designed with a split layout for enhanced convenience. One section contains the toilet and sink, while the shower area, adorned with deep green tiles, features a glass door that opens directly to the wooded hillside, offering a unique and immersive bathing experience close to nature. Currently, Crest Guesthouse is used by its owners as a vacation retreat, while their main house undergoes renovations. With its smart and efficient design, this dwelling not only serves as a temporary residence, but also provides an inspiring reference for those looking to build a small home that is comfortable, flexible, and harmonizes with its natural surroundings. Discover more home design inspirations on Block 7, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos.